I wanted to come on and share a new product with you. I actually was getting ready to use it, so I thought it'd be a good time to tell you about it. It is this microwave egg cooker. So this is really neat because you could make 2 poached eggs or 2 scrambled eggs in the microwave in just a couple of minutes, and they're going to turn out beautifully. This is actually made out of really good food grade quality material. The lid has this really nice silicone on the top, and this is really cool because of the material it's made out of. It actually works similar to what a stovetop would work like for your food. And so you can use it in the microwave, but you're going to get a really good egg, and actually it's going to maintain the nutrients. A lot of times when you cook food in the microwave, some of those nutrients are removed just because of the microwaving process, but this actually keeps those in your food while being cooked. So it's really great because it's so easy to use, but high quality materials that is going to cook your food really well. So you can make eggs in this. You could also make actually hamburgers. So the hamburgers would take about 5 minutes or so to cook, so a little bit longer than eggs, but just really great for either of those. And I actually like to eat eggs a lot. I like to eat them scrambled sometimes. Sometimes I make them into a burrito or even like an egg sandwich. And on a busy morning when I am running around trying to get out for school and work, this is going to really come in handy because I can preheat it and then go ahead and put my eggs in and stick it back in the microwave, and the eggs will be cooked while I'm running around and finishing up last minute details. So just a really nice product. It's very easy to use. You put it in the microwave like this without the lid for about 2 minutes to preheat. Then you take it out, put a little bit of oil, crack your eggs in, put the lid on, and then stick it back in the microwave for about 2 or 2.5 minutes, and then your eggs are done. So a really great product for you if you are really busy, if you have a family that needs a lot in the mornings. You know, you can be using this, and it's going to make sure you have a nice, healthy, nutritious breakfast without you really having to spend a lot of time doing it. So a really great product that I know I'm going to use a lot with my family. Thank you so much for watching.